Elderly man chopped and succumbed to injuries. Suspect in custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An elderly man was chopped and succumbed to injuries in Morgan's Bridge on Mint Road, Westmoreland on Monday afternoon. He has been identified as 60-year-old Delbert Stepper Jolly. Reports from the Morgan's Bridge police are that at about 4 p.m., Jolly and another man had a dispute when Jolly brandished a machete. The man managed to disarm him and used the machete to chop him several times. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, Jolly's body was seen at the rear of a premises. He was suffering from chop wounds. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The other man has since been taken into custody by the police. The officer in charge of operation for Westmoreland Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Adrian Hamilton, told reporters that the suspect has not been charged as yet, as the police are still carrying out their investigation. Links 007 TV will provide more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.